na ba lahat? Si Mike, unang impression ko sa'yo, nayabangan ako sa'yo. Sabi ko, ang ingay.
Dude, it was an audition. How did you get yabang from...
Saan? Ay, oo nga pala. How did you get yabang?
It was an audition. No. How did you get yabang?
Pwede. If that's the... May una kasi sometimes sa tao. Judgmental kasi ako. Una ko naisip agad yung negative ng tao. Oh, first impression ko sa'yo, yung sa Zoom, no? Sa audition. Sa audition na, sa Zoom natin.
Upside down.
Ano ba first impression? Parang actually mas na... Bigyan kita ng pansin nung nasa variety show tayo eh.
Okay.
First impression ko sa'yo yun nga, parang sa yabang naman ito, bida-bida. Pero now I understand, you're just really energetic,
Oh, sorry.
expressive, and actually,
Mayabang.
yun yung first impression, oo,
Okay.
bida-bida.
Gala was the first time we met each other.
Really? Pero alam mo na, kita ko rin sa'yo na, you're a well-educated man. Kita ka na you're sheltered, you studied in a nice school, and you're smart.
Thanks, ah.
Ayun.